Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black, and we are in the kitchen again. Today, we're going to make a moist, rich chocolate pound cake. Yes, that's what we're going to do today. This is the first time I've ever made a chocolate pound cake on my channel. So, stay tuned so you can learn how to make this moist, rich chocolate pound cake. All right now, the ingredients for this pound cake, get your pen and pencil now, get ready, write it down, will be 1 1/2 cups of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3 cups of granulated sugar, 5 large eggs at room temperature, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder, whichever one. The espresso powder will give a more chocolatey taste. So, and it's optional. You can use either one. Preheat your oven to 325, and let's get ready to start mixing. I have my 3 sticks of butter in the mixer, which is 1.5 cups. It's 3 sticks of unsalted. Make sure it's unsalted butter. And let's begin. And I'm gonna mix the butter up. Then I'm going to add in the 3 cups of sugar. And you need to mix this for at least 4 to 5 minutes until it's fluffy. Now I'm going to begin to add the 3 cups of sugar. Make sure in this process that you will stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl so it all can mix together good. And I'll be back when it's all mixed. Now we are getting ready to add the 5 eggs that are at room temperature, 1 at a time, and mix it after you add the eggs. But in a large bowl, you need to get your 3 cups of all-purpose flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, and the salt. Put in the bowl, get a whisk, and whisk it all up together. So prepare that and prepare your bundt pan, spray it, however you want to do it, get it ready. And your oven should be preheated at 325 degrees. Let's start adding these eggs. To add our flour mixture and our evaporated milk. You start with the dry ingredients and you end with the dry ingredients. Now we're getting ready to put in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, oops, and 2. And we're also going to put in a teaspoon of espresso. Okay, now we're gonna mix this up. The cake is ready to go in the oven. It's in the pan. Make sure you smooth the top down and get the air, hit it a couple times on the counter and get the air bubbles out. We will bake it for 75 to 85 minutes, depending on your oven. Put a toothpick in it, insert it to see if it comes out clean. And then we will let it cool for 15 minutes before we flip it out of the pan. The chocolate pound cake is completed. The glaze to go on top of it is 1/2 a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of semi-chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of butter. And what you need to do is heat the cream until steaming, pour over chocolate and butter, let stand for 2 minutes, then stir smooth and pour over cake. And your cake needs to be cool. So here it is, the chocolate pound cake. I cannot cut it because I'm making it for someone else, so I cannot cut it. So you can see the inside. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. Thank you so much for tuning in and staying and watching this video. I appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. And remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece.